In our previous video, we had demonstrated that how your child can quickly learn the process of counting, mathematics, addition while playing and enjoying the Ludo game. In this video, we will show you how your child can quickly learn the subtraction, mathematics subtraction while playing the Ludo game. So, suppose his Ludo piece is here. For this Ludo subtraction game, we need two different colored dices. So you can see that one is white colored dice and other is transparent dice. So please Sumer, it is your turn. Please roll it here. So you can see that on one dice on transparent dice he got 4 score, and on the white dice he got 3 score. So Sumer will first move forward the score of this white dice, that is 3. Then he moves. Sumer, please count it. Please count it.
1,
Yes, 3 times.
2,
Yes.
3.
Yes, 3.
4.
No, 3. So you always move forward the score of white dice and you will move back the score of transparent dice. So please count the 3.
1,
Yes.
2, 3.
So you will move forward your Ludo piece at the square number 3. So now we will move back the score of transparent die, which is a different dice. So please count here 4 times.
1,
Yes. Reverse counting.
1.
No, from here.
1,
2,
2, 3,
4.
4.
So you will bring back your Ludo piece here. This is the subtraction game. Another method of playing this subtraction Ludo game is that my child will figure out which dice has the lower number. Then he will subtract the lower number from the higher number. So he will subtract the number 3 from number 4. So Sumail, please tell me how much is 4 minus 3?
4 minus 3, 1.
Is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to
1.
Yes. So you will move your Ludo piece only for one time, only for one square. You will move to the next square. So these were the two methods of playing the Ludo game while learning the mathematics subtraction, which can be quite daunting. But in this way, your child will not only learn the subtraction, but he will also at the same time enjoy the Ludo game. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share it. Thanks.